Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to find your stories activity on Facebook using a PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been clicking around and can't seem to locate where Facebook moved this feature, don't worry. It's still there, just a bit hidden. Let's get started step by step. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account because everything we're about to access is tied to your personal profile. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When you click it, more options will appear underneath. This is where Facebook groups a lot of important tools and controls. Next, click on Activity Log. This section is where Facebook keeps a record of almost everything you've done on the platform, including posts, likes, comments, and more. After opening the activity log, look to the left-hand side menu. You may need to scroll a little depending on your screen. Here, you'll find different categories that organize your activity. Now, find and click on Group Stories activity. This is the section where your stories-related interactions, especially within groups, are stored. Once you open it, you'll be able to see your past activity connected to stories, all in one place. And that's it. That's how you can quickly locate your stories activity on Facebook using a PC, even after the latest update. It might seem a bit tucked away at first, but once you know the path, it's easy to access anytime you need it.